Hi, Mark Kohler here with another 2-minute tax and legal tip. Whether you're an entrepreneur or a corporate employee, protecting our most valuable asset, oftentimes our home, is absolutely critical. Now, I recently just recorded a radio show on this, a full hour. The link's below. I highly recommend you listen to it for more details. But in this short little clip, I want to give you 6 options to consider in protecting your personal residence. Number 1, homestead exemption. This is an exemption that protects a certain amount of equity in your home no matter what type of lawsuit. Now, the amount's going to vary from state to state. Some states it's great, some states it's terrible. Think of states like Florida where it's an unlimited homestead exemption. O.J. Simpson moved to Florida, bought his home, completely protected in that lawsuit. Just a thought. Number 2, tenancy by the entirety. This is a certain strategy where you use language on the title of your home called tenancy by the entirety, wherein if one spouse gets into a lawsuit, the creditor cannot touch the home because it's not fair to the other spouse. Some states this is even good after divorce or death. You'll want to look at which states have this. About 15 to 20 states give a decent tenancy by the entirety protection statute. A lot of states don't even have it. Find out what's up in your state. Number 3, equity stripping. This is a strategy of leaning your home and taking some of the equity and protecting it through the use of a loan and a trust deed recorded against your house. This might be a HELOC, or you may even set up an entity to lien your own home. All sorts of options. Look at what's good and bad in that strategy. Number 4, umbrella insurance. Very, very common. Love umbrella insurance, and it can be very affordable. It may not be the primary strategy you use for your home, but it's also insurance you can use for all sorts of things and protecting you against potential liability and protecting the equity of your home. Get some quotes, shop around, and learn more about it. Number 5, some people will go to the extent of taking their spouse off title, and think of maybe even a doctor where he's worried about a potential lawsuit, so he puts his wife on title to the home, so if he gets sued around the operating table, they can't touch the house because it's in his wife's name. Some states this works, some states it doesn't. It also depends on the type of lawsuit on whether or not taking your spouse off title can help you, and you got to be very careful with this strategy. Look at what the options are where you live. Number 6, DAPs, or Domestic Asset Protection Trusts. These are amazing trusts that are getting more and more popular, used in more and more states to protect the equity of your home in perpetuity for an unlimited value. They're amazing. Study up and learn about them. Now, after listing these 6 strategies that do work, I want to tell you what doesn't work. Think of the revocable living trust. Very, very important and critical for estate planning, but it doesn't give you asset protection. Also, be careful putting your home into an LLC, or limited liability company. You could shoot yourself in the foot for a tax strategy, and an LLC is meant for businesses, not your home. And then finally, think of irrevocable trusts. Be very careful if someone's trying to sell you on an irrevocable trust and putting your home in it. They're irrevocable. Notice the term? In summary, these are some important considerations. Please give our law firm a call. We'd love to do a consultation with you to help you with your asset protection strategy. Also, check out my book, Lawyers Are Liars. I cover all these topics and more on asset protection that works. Folks, this is an important topic, and protecting your home could not be more important as you're an entrepreneur building wealth and building equity in your home. Give us a call. We'd love to be of service. If you thought that information was amazing and helpful, I have so much more to share with you. Please look at the links below and head to my website, markjkohler.com. You can subscribe to my weekly newsletter, check out my weekly radio show. I have my online videos for tax and legal strategies that'll save you thousands, ways to learn QuickBooks with my fun videos online. And also, if you enjoyed it, please leave a comment and give it a like and follow me on YouTube. I promise that these videos will change your life. Thanks so much.